Hello, welcome to the course Python Programming for Beginners. In Python libraries, as part of Matplotlib, now we will see color mapped data. In our earlier lectures, we discussed various concepts related to Matplotlib. Our next concept is color mapped data. Using Matplotlib, different types of graphs that we will see here. Like a color mapped data. Suppose even we want to have a third dimension in a plot, which is represented by a colors in color map. Matplotlib has a number of plot types to do this. Let us see one example program. Here, first you can import pyplot, then you can import MPL, then you can import NumPy, define different types of plots here. The first one is mesh grid type that can be stored in x comma y combination. np.meshgrid of np.linear space with minus 3 3 128 with np.linear space minus 3 y 3 128. So this is the x-axis value, this is the y-axis value. This is mesh grid type. Now we are defining another one z equal to, with this computation, some formula 1 minus x by 2 plus x power 5 plus y power 3 into np dot exponent of minus x power 2 minus y power 2. Then you are defining another graph with the size layout equal to constraint with 2 by 2. Then we are using p color mesh type. This is another graph. We are taking previous xy and latest z. Three values we are taking. Then v minimum equal to minus 1, v max equal to 1. Then C map, this is the color combination, RDBU underscore R. Then we are defining color bar of that PC with the axis equal to 0, 0. We are customizing. Then we are making the title of P color mesh axis of 0, 0. We are making this plot set title P color mesh. Then defining another one CO with axis 0, 1. Contour is the next type, contour map. Taking same xyz levels equal to nb dot linear space of minus 1.25 to 1.25 with step value. Then color bar we are defining for 0, 1 combination graph. Then making title as contour. P color mesh is the one graph. Contour is the another graph. Then next we are defining PC equal to axis of 1, 0. Image show z power 2 into 100 with the color map plasma we are taking. Normalization equal to MPL dot colors log normal P minimum equal to 0.01, P max equal to 100. Then we are making color bar of that PC with 1, 0 combination axis with the extended both. Then we are making the title as axis 1, 0 plot set title IM show with log normalization. Image show with log normalization. This is another plot or another graph. Then we are defining the next category, scatter plot type. We are taking the data 1, 2, 3, 4, np.random number with 4, 100. We are defining axis 1, 1, scatter with data 1, 2, 3 combination with color map RDBU underscore R color code. Then making color bar with 1, 1 axis extended both. Then we are making the title as scatter. Total how many graphs? Let us go back once. First one is this one, P color mesh, that is 0, 0. Next here 0, comma 1. This is contour. Then third one, I am show with log normalization. Then fourth one, scatter. Now you can see plot.show. So P color mesh, contour, scatter, I am show with log normal. Here we are defining this bar. That scaling bar. The P color mesh here you can see even 3D colors. Here also 3D colors are there. Here also 3D colors. Here also you can see this is the scatter with all combinations. So like that, we can do color mapped data. Generally, temperature, that is weather predictions, tsunami predictions, rainfall predictions. For all these type of color mapped graphs are used. In daily life, we are seeing all these graphs during our predictions telecasting in media. Okay, we'll demonstrate that program. Before that, let us see the explanation about all this. So color maps, these are all examples of artists that derive from scalar mappable objects. They all can set a linear mapping between V minimum and V maximum into the color map specified by CMap. Matplotlib has many color maps to choose from the existing. We can make our own or download as third-party packages. That is the advantage of Matplotlib. Even you can do the normalization. Sometimes we want a nonlinear mapping of the data to the color map, as in the log norm in the above example. We do this by supplying scalar mappable with norm argument instead of vmin and vmax. Then color bars. Adding a color bar. Color bar means here we have seen the scaling bar in the previous graphs. That is color bar. Adding a color bar gives a key to relate the color back to the underlying data. Color bars are figure level artists and are attached to a scalar mappable where they get their information about the norm and color map and usually steal space from a parent axis. Placement of color bars can be complex. We can also change the appearance of color bars with the extend keyboard to add arrows to the ends and shrink and aspect to control the size. Finally, the color bar will have default locators and formatters appropriate to the norm. These can be changed as per other axis objects. Let us see the program live demonstration. Open your Python ideal. Now we started the Python ideally freshly. We can import all the libraries. First pyplot, then global matplotlib mpl, then import numpy. Three libraries are imported. Then define x comma y with the mesh grid formatting. Z equal to computing with XY combination. Any data you can take, no problem. Now the figure says you are defining constraint level with 2 by 2. Then defining PC. First graph is color mesh. Then you can define its color bar. That 0, 0 is the color mesh coordinate. Color bar we are defining. Then its title of 0, 0 graph, P color mesh. Then come to next graph. Again we are defining CO. This is contour. Now we can do the color bar of this one with 0, 1 axis. Then its title, set title contour F. Then define another graph with the CMAP plasma type with Vmin and Vmax values. Then its color bar. This coordinate is 1, 0. Then set it title. I am sure with log nar. Then take the data samples, data 1 to 4. Then define scatter plot is the another graph with the data 1 to 4 combination. Define its color bar with this coordinates are 1, 1. Then set its title as scatter. Now we defined all 4 graphs. Now use plot.show to see all the 4 graphs. Here you can see. Yeah, this is P color mesh is the first one. This is its extended bar. Contour F is the second one. This is the extended bar. I am sure with lognar is the third graph. It's extended bar. Then the fourth one is scatter. It's extended bar. Here you can see. So with Matplotlib, different types of graphs are generated with color mapped data. Here you can see 3 dimensions are included. Those are also colored here. Okay, that is about color mapped data with Matplotlib. So with this lecture, some of the important concepts related to Matplotlib are completed. With this, Matplotlib library is over. If you want more details about Matplotlib, in the first page of this presentation, we have given one official link of Matplotlib. You can go through and you can self-learn other advanced topics. Stay tuned for upcoming new topic lectures. Till then, stay tuned for latest updates.